Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. At the last video, I have shown you how you can use the text AI to create a post or article for your WordPress website. But today I will review the text AI and provide you the information about all that you can do here, and I will show you how you can get unlimited post and the plans about. So let's start. So basically this is the text AI, and you can see the home page or landing page. It is trusted by 75,000 professionals. So what is amazing content could you create? So you can see it is a content creation tool, and you can use it for your own content or writing articles. Basically when you use the AI like others AI softwares that provides you description and ideas, but why Texta is exceptional, Texta provides you a long article, and it is totally a optimized way. That's why it helps to publish on our website easily. So basically what text AI provides, it provides us blog content, digital ad copy, commerce copy, sales copy, social media content, website copy, emails and letters, career content, and so much more. So you can see here a lots of review that are available on Captcha and also in Trust Pilot, and you can search online that it is very useful to so many users. And the best thing is it you can integrate with Zapier, so who knows how to use, then you can use it. So let's see the pricing. Here you can see it is monthly cost you at starter $25 per month and $49 per month for the Pro Max, and $79 per month for the Pro Max Plus. So this has the watts limitation like 3,300 3 lakhs watts, 6 lakhs watts, and 12 lakhs watts. So O2 mode, professional editor, and 27 plus language, 50 plus templates, and it has the auto and the Pro Max has the autopilot new and the Grammarly optimization here also, and 5 user seats. And you can see the Pro Max Plus has all of these contents and plus advanced mode and priority supports and with 10 user seats. So you can see the full plan comparison here. Then you can see all information, or you can use the yearly plan to get with some extra benefits like that billing. But today I will provide you a link at the description about FCMO. Here you will get it for unlimited uses. So here you can see that at the FCMO plan, one time purchase, it means you will pay once a time and you will get payment for, and you can use the tool for a long time. So here you can see FSumo has 3 plans. One has unlimited credits, 2 has unlimited credits, and 3 has unlimited credits. But plan 1 provides you 1 user seat, and plan 2 3 user seat, and plan 3 5 user seat. And here all are same, but the main fact is here access to all available languages when you take the plan 2 and plan 3. And I suggest you to take plan 2 or plan 3 if you need user seats. But basically if you are a single user, you can took the plan 1, but for the access to all available languages I will suggest you to use the plan 2, and it's important. So here has reviews. You can see the reviews at FSumo. Most the has some lower review also has, because sometimes the product don't give you a actual report, so it's horrible. But most of the time it provides you the best benefit that it could be. So let's go to the software. Let's log in, and Here it is. So when we are here, you can see the promotes that we can use. Here we can use the academic article, blog post, real estate blog post, marketing blog post, e-commerce blog post, and so many categories available here. And you can use it for website copy, sales copy, email letter, and so many. And I have the jasper integration option also available here, so you should use that if you need. And you can invite your team members to use the texta. That's why I told you to take the other plans. Now you can see the long form. Let's try to create a technology and innovation type product. Like let's create what we can, like cybersecurity. Okay, here let's try how to protect our WordPress websites. So you can use the auto mode or the manual mode. For the manual mode, you need to check the title type, and you can use the how to or asking a question, inspiration, science fact. So I am trying to create a how to type question answers. That's why I have selected the how to, then create the channel title. Then you can choose any of the title for your content. Let's try how to protect your WordPress malicious comments and hacks. 6 tips to keep your WordPress website from safe from hackers. Safe ways to protect your WordPress website from cyber attack. Okay, let's check mark the 6 tips. Then generate outline. Then you can see the choose the outline here. We got the outline here. Keep your website safe from hackers. And if you want to add some more outlines, then you can put here or you can regenerate. Let's finish it and let's see what it provides us. So it has provided 6 tips to keep your WordPress website safe. So look, it has provided the title, but the spelling has mistakes. So we should use the you can should use the Grammarly here to optimize the grammars of your article. And you can see keep your WordPress accept. Okay, introduction: keep your WordPress services safe from hackers are always on the lookout now for vulnerabilities, so it's important to be vigilant and about keeping your site protected. Here is 6 tips to help you stay ahead of the curve. Protect your website with security measures. Use a strong password is the key protecting your website from hackers. So here is some grammatical mistakes that we can use the Grammarly to fix it. And you can see use a good cyber security strategy, use cloud-based security services, use advanced security threat detection tools, use good domain name. If your website is registered with a domain name that is known to be a secure, the chance of the data breaches, intellectual property theft are reduced. By using a secure domain name, you can help protect your information. Like it's providing data lots of, but we need to manually customize it for the best result. Okay, so keep your website safe from hackers, use good cyber security strategy. And looks like it has uh, provided us the same data from the first line. Let's re-optimize it, or let's try to add some more content by clicking on the add a paragraph. And you can use the okay, so it's said from hackers, use a good cyber security strategy, use a good domain name, use advanced security threat detection tools. Let's add another paragraph here. Let's see. Okay, so it has added some more, but we need to delete one of this because it has provided the duplicate copy. So you can see how it is useful and how it provides some garbage. So I it's my opinion just. So when you want to use it, you just need to recheck your post and article because it is useful tool, but all the output should not be used on your website. So you have to fix the grammatical mistakes and all other things. That's it for today. So if you are interested to use the text AI, then you can use the provided link that I provided in the description. If you buy it from that, then I will get some commission. So if you want to use the tool, then click the link below and use it. Thank you.